I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing.
Hello students, hope you are fit and fine at home and completing your work. So today we are going to do exercise 2B because you know that this exercise are left. So before doing this exercise we should know the definitions also, and yesterday I sent one video also. You should watch that video. It is very good video, and that video all the explanations are given very well. So first of all, adjacent angle. First we will understand what is adjacent angle. Look this figure. What are you observing? Here one arm AC is in common to this means BAD angle. This AC is the common arm. Common arm means this AC arm is dividing the angle BAD. So this is called common arm, and here at the corner you see that this is vertex. You know very well this vertex. So common vertex is there, means all the lines are going from this side, this point. So this is called the common point or vertex. Okay. So one more thing you are observing, these BAC and angle DAC, these two arms AD and AB, they are opposite to each other. So these are the conditions of adjacent angles. So adjacent angle have three conditions. One is common arm, common vertex. Non-common arms are on either side of the arm, means opposite sides of the arms. So you can say that angle BAC and angle CAD are the adjacent angles. Okay students, let us understand other definition. So next one definition is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle, first you look the figure. Here two colors you are observing. So just blue colors, and this O I wrote here, but it always come in between. For your understanding, I wrote here. So angle AOB and angle COD are always equal, because they are opposite to each other, and in vertically opposite angle the opposite angles are equal to each other. This angle and this angle is equal. Okay, and like this way BOD and angle AOC, they are vertically opposite angle and they are equal to each other. This is called the vertically opposite angle. One more thing you observe, when we will do like this way the figure, this you are this is adjacent angle. Common arm, two common opposite arms, but they are straight. But this is also adjacent angle. So two adjacent angle also in the vertically opposite angles. Okay, one this one and one this one. Okay, now we will do the next definition, linear pair angle. Linear pair of angles are the supplementary angles whose sum equal to 180 degree. You know that supplementary angles sum is 180 degree. So it is the pair of adjacent angles also, because I told you will understand here also. Just look here, like this type of angles are called linear pair. Why linear pair? Because this is straight line, and straight line one arm is dividing, so that's why this is called the linear pair angle, and the two angles, when you will do the sum of these two angles, this will always be 180 degree. Why always 180 degree? Because straight angle always of 180 degree, so that's why. Okay student, students, so one more type of angles is there, bisector of an angle. What is the meaning of bisector? Bisector means the angle is divided by one arm and it is equally in two. Suppose then this angle is 80 degree, so it will divide this 40 and 40 degree. So this is called the bisector. So angle AOP and angle BOP are adjacent angles, and angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. Then the ray OP is called the bisector of angle AOB. Okay students. So here these are also adjacent angle, but here it is that when the angle bisector we draw, it means they are divided equally two parts. Question number 1 you are looking, students. Now student, I am taking one example, means question number 1, and figure is like this. They are saying find the adjacent angle and vertically opposite angle. So adjacent angle, here many you are looking the arm, this AE is the common arm. So first of all, which two angles are adjacent? Angle BAE and angle CAE, and here common arm is AE. So all the conditions are fulfilled, so they are adjacent angle. Now you just look here, C is the vertex, and angle ACE and angle DCE means EC is the common arm, so they are also adjacent angle. So now AE, AEC and AEB, now this time this is common arm EC. Okay, so again you will say BED and CED, means ED is the common arm in this. Okay, so these are the adjacent angle. Now you know very well what is vertically opposite angle. This angle and this angle means angle AEC and angle BED, AEC and BED, they are vertically opposite angle. And angle AEB and angle CED, both are vertically opposite angle. So this way you will do first sum. Student, I will take some example to explain you. So first example is example of linear pair. Example sum this is. So here you are looking that this is linear pair. One angle is given and you have to find the other angle. You know that linear pairs are the supplementary angles, yani 180 degree. So sum of these two angles you will take PQS and RQS is equal to 180 degree, and you are observing here angle RQS 55 degree, and this is X, and you have to find the value of X. So what you will do, this is plus sign, after going this equal to, it will change the sign and it will become minus. So answer will be 125 degree. Like this way many sums are there in your exercise. I will give for homework also. Now the next example, you will think that there are two lines, no common arm. Yes, but they are straight angle. And you know that sum of straight there are three angles, and straight angles have 180 degree, and sum of these three angles are 180 degree. Here you have to find one unknown angle x. So what you will do, you will plus these two angles and you will find the value of x. Just look here. First you will write the name of angles. Angle POS, angle SOR and angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree, and you will keep the value of the angle 40 degree plus x plus 30 degree 180 degree. You will plus these two angles and you will take this after equal to, and it is plus, so it will become minus, and x is equal to 110 degree. This is your answer. Now students, see the example of vertically opposite angle and find the unknown angle. This is not given. I wrote like this way. Only this angle is given. Only this angle is given. So you know that angle AOB is equal to angle COD because they are opposite to each other, and in vertically opposite angle, opposite angles are equal. So angle AOB is equal to angle COD, so it will be 30 degree. So you can write 30 degree. Here angle AOB and angle COD you found 30 degree, okay? But here how you will find? Just you look here, what you are observing, this is linear pair angle. So sum of these two angle 180 degree, and you will minus 180 degree minus 30. So you will get this angle. Now this way you can write angle AOB plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. So 30 degree plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree, and 180 degree minus 30 degree 150 degree, because they are vertically opposite angle. Now I think so you understood very well. I will give some sums also. I will solve also. Have a nice day. Thank you.